Hey, MTS crew, what is going on? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Getting ready to make some Southern style sweet potato biscuits. These biscuits are going to be delicious. I mean, a good add on for your breakfast table for Christmas, Thanksgiving. But this is a good biscuit for the holidays, absolutely delicious, and the ingredients are going to be down below the whole recipe. So we're going to have butter, buttermilk, 1 sweet potato, 3 cups of flour, and here are our dry ingredients, our baking powder, our baking soda, nutmeg, cinnamon, pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Oh, I can't forget about the vanilla flavor. Now, let me tell you about the vanilla flavor. You take your vanilla flavor, about a teaspoon, and add that to your buttermilk and just beat that up in your cup of cold buttermilk. So we're getting all of our dry ingredients in. And these biscuits are going to be so good and so fluffy. And you can enjoy them for breakfast. Sometimes you just might want to have a biscuit with a little syrup on there. Now, what I do for my topping, I use a half a stick of butter, honey, and a pinch of cinnamon in there. So that's what I use to brush on my biscuits after I finish. So let's go ahead and get this dry ingredients incorporated, and make sure you stir very well. You want that cinnamon. You don't want that cinnamon and that nutmeg to clump up together. So just get it all stirred in there good. So we're going to go ahead now and add one cold sweet potato. One cold sweet potato. We don't want it at room temperature. We want everything in here cold. So there's our 1 stick of butter, cold, that was frozen. I chopped it up, or you can grate it. My hands are clean. My rings are off. So I'm cooking this for my family. So if you want to use a spatula or whatever you want to use, a spoon to go ahead and get this together, you can. But I love using my hand. So this is the consistency that you want. I mashed up like the butter and the sweet potatoes, so everything is all ready to go. So I'm gonna get my buttermilk ready and put my vanilla flavor in there. Okay, the vanilla flavor and the buttermilk is in there. Something happened with the video then, but I'm going on. All right, so there we go. That's how your batter needs to look. Let's go ahead and roll these biscuits out. Now this dough is usually sticky, so kind of keep your hand with flour on your hands. And what I do to make layers, I kind of pat them out and then I fold over. You pat out and fold over, maybe about 2 to 3 times, but you don't want to work this too much because you don't want a heavy, dense biscuit. You want a light and fluffy biscuit. So this, with this recipe, you should be able to get at least about 10 biscuits, and I'm using the bigger biscuit cutter. And but if you use the smaller one, you would get more biscuits, but I'm using the bigger biscuit cutter. And now you're gonna do about maybe 1.5 inches, and that's gonna bring you a nice size biscuit. There we go, right there. Okay, I greased my pan, or you can use parchment paper, but I just sprayed a little Pam spray on my pan, and my biscuits were fine. They come right out. And you continue this process until all of your dough is gone. Okay. Okay, the biscuits are ready. They're ready to go in the oven. We're going to put these in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 12 minutes. Okay, here they are, y'all. Our sweet potato biscuits, and this is my mixture I'm pouring over there. This is the honey. This is the honey I'm putting over there. But when they come out of the oven, I go ahead and put my butter and honey on then. And then when I just like to put a little extra honey on them. There they are, y'all, those sweet potato biscuits. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe, and let me know if you use this, and let me know how you like them. This would be a nice addition to your Christmas breakfast. A lot of people I spoke to haven't even heard of a sweet potato biscuit, but you can make anything out of sweet potato biscuits, sweet potato bread pudding, sweet potato cake, and I think I made a sweet potato cake. So let's get this biscuit a taste and see what we working with. Nice and soft, nice and fluffy, absolutely delicious. Thank y'all. Like, share, and subscribe this recipe. I really would appreciate it. Be blessed and enjoy.